this lesson, we're going to learn how to set up a data stream for an app. You can use Google Analytics to measure websites, apps, or both in the same property. App data streams are powered by the Firebase Software Development Kit. If your app is already using Firebase, you can enable analytics from the Firebase console. If your app does not use Firebase, Google Analytics can create a project for you. Go to Admin, then click on Data Streams. Now, add a new data stream for your app's platform, iOS or Android. If your app is on both platforms, you'll need to create a data stream for each platform. For Android, you'll need your package name, and for iOS, you'll need your bundle ID. Enter the details about your app, and then click Next. Google Analytics will begin to create your Firebase project and set up your app data stream. Once complete, GA will provide you with additional details on how to configure Firebase for your app's platform. You or your app developer must implement the Firebase SDK in your app before you can measure user activity. Once Firebase is configured for your app, a number of events are automatically collected for you, like first opens, in-app purchases, and screen views. These are common across all apps. You also have the option to collect any recommended and custom events that are relevant to your business. You'll use the log event method in your app's code to define and collect up to 500 different event names with no limit on total volume. While the method of data collection differs slightly between web and app, with Google Analytics, you're able to analyze all this data together in one property to understand how users navigate across different devices, interact with your web or app, and perform actions that are important to you and your business, such as sign up, login, and purchases.